cash rules everything around me. Green, get the money. Dollar bill, yo.
Hey, it's Greg here. I have a fancy hat on from Auto Dynamics. They finally got some in stock. Sweet, guys. Just a small update while I kind of get lost into looking at that through the camera. I am going to be doing some final tacks, and when I say I mean Dave, which is the Auto Dynamics shop owner. I have to give him some shout outs because they let me keep my car here for like about a year. Yeah, year, that right, about a year. So, I only have a few more welds left. I'm just gonna point them out. Oh, when I say a few, I mean a few tacks. So, we're gonna do like a few tacks in here. One guy over here. Zip a couple in there. And a couple here. And I believe there's a few pies back in this area that need to be done. So after that means this whole octopus is going to be all set up. And what I'm going to do is my buddy Slayton, who owns Independent Engineering, I'll tag him in this. He has an awesome welder, and he can basically get comfortable and zone out and just make easy work of that instead of me blowing holes into the ship. So after that is done, what's next on the docket is I'm gonna pull the engine out. So I guess you might be wondering, hey, well, Greg, why are you pulling the engine out? That's because if you see how this white bay here, it's kind of white, dirty as hell. But anyways, that is all gonna be scuffed up, reprimed, because it's white primer right now, dirty white primer, and that's gonna be spray painted body color, or I was thinking about doing black. I don't know, I'm in between right now. I'm thinking about doing the body color and just going with that. So that's what's next. Additionally, BTR, I'm on the list for getting some rocker arms. They're coming out in short order, so I'm waiting on a phone call from BTR, so I can actually install the shaft mount rockers in this engine, get measurements on the push rods, and then it should be ready for some fire in the cylinders. Well, too bad I can't actually test that without it being outside the car, because I would need a engine stand that you could hook gasoline, whatever, or ethanol into the system and do a few tests. That'd be sweet, but we don't have that luxury right now at the shop. I think they're looking at doing that in the future, but that's what's next. See ya.